Welcome to Crypto Daily, where you'll find the latest news and analysis on all things crypto and NFT related. Hit the subscribe button and join our community of crypto enthusiasts. Let's navigate this exciting world of digital currencies together. The world of technology is constantly evolving, and as artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning continue to advance, there is often speculation about whether they will replace human workers. One such example is the latest version of ChatGPT, an AI language model developed by OpenAI that has caused a stir online with its ability to identify Ethereum smart contract vulnerabilities and exploits. However, the question remains, will ChatGPT replace developers in the future? GPT-4 is the latest version of the influential AI language model, boasting human-level performance on various professional and academic benchmarks, according to OpenAI. In addition to its impressive performance on these benchmarks, GPT-4 has also demonstrated the ability to review Ethereum smart contracts and identify vulnerabilities, as well as suggesting potential ways to exploit the code. Coinbase director Conor Grogan recently shared a prompt dialogue with ChatGPT in which the AI chatbot highlighted a number of security vulnerabilities before verifying a method to exploit the contract. Perhaps even more interesting is that ChatGPT's recommendation was accurate, given that the same smart contract had been hacked in 2018 via the same method that the language model suggested. On the back of the latest ChatGPT upgrade and its potential to review, suggest and provide insights to Ethereum smart contract developers, Cointelegraph journalist Ezra Reguera explored the topic in conversation with attendees at the ETHDubai conference this week. One blockchain developer, Salman Arshad, highlighted the connection that ChatGPT has with blockchain, given the focus on Web3 in security and auditing processes. Smart contract auditors are costly, and ChatGPT offers a timely and cost-efficient way to review code. However, Arshad was quick to emphasize that ChatGPT and AI tools are a blessing. They are not our enemies and are not here to end the career of a developer. Arshad added that ChatGPT's broad knowledge base is its strength, but it still requires human input for specific business logic and prompts. The benefit is that developers can get far more work done in far less time by using AI-powered tools. As Arshad puts it, you know what your company wants to do. You can tell ChatGPT, and it can perfectly transform your commands into a smart contract, auditing process, document or white paper. Another blockchain developer, Syed Ghazenfur, also highlighted the collaborative nature of ChatGPT, which still remains far more beneficial to a wide range of users than the potential threat of automating processes and replacing human workers. Ghazenfur noted that ChatGPT will remain a useful tool for developers, automating processes like reading and condensing full documentation. As previously explored by Cointelegraph, ChatGPT is proving significantly useful for developers to solve coding problems. The AI-powered tool also promises to be useful for security audits of smart contracts and Web3 platforms. However, the consensus among developers is that ChatGPT is not a replacement for human workers, but rather a useful tool to supplement and enhance the work of developers. At the end of the day, the development of ChatGPT and other AI-powered tools is not meant to replace human workers. Rather, it is intended to help developers work more efficiently and effectively. As Salman Arshad put it, ChatGPT and AI tools are a blessing. By working together with these tools, developers can increase their productivity and improve the quality of their work. The future of technology is exciting, and AI-powered tools like ChatGPT are just one example of how these advancements can be leveraged to make our lives easier and more efficient. Next up, are you tired of being blocked from accessing your favorite decentralized apps and NFTs? Well, Ethereum has come up with a solution that will blow your mind. Forget about HTTP and say hello to Web3 URLs, the new URL standard that cannot be blocked. ERC 4804 is the latest Ethereum standard that enables Internet users to access Ethereum applications and non-fungible tokens without worrying about centralized censorship. Proposed on February 14, 2022, by ETH Storage founder Chi Zhou, Ethereum researcher Sam Wilson, and Chao Pai, This standard has been designed to allow direct access to on-chain Web3 content through an HTTP-style URL. It is the first of its kind for the Ethereum blockchain, and it has made it onto Ethereum, making it possible for users to access decentralized applications, dApps, front-ends and NFTs without relying on centralized web servers. As things stand, most dApps still rely on centralized web servers to access decentralized apps. In many cases, users have to go through DNS, GoDaddy, and other centralized servers, which are vulnerable to censorship. However, with the new standard, Internet users can type in Web3 skeptical smiley face instead of http:// in their browsers to bring up dApps such as Uniswap or on-chain NFTs directly. The standard allows users to directly run a query to the Ethereum Virtual Machine (EVM), making it possible to access entire websites as long as their content is stored on the Ethereum blockchain or a compatible Layer 2 protocol. While the new standard is revolutionary, it comes at a cost. The storage cost on Ethereum is still super expensive, with 1 GB of on-chain data costing roughly $10 million on the mainnet. This is unacceptable for many Web 2 applications and even some NFTs. Nevertheless, Layer 2 storage solutions can help mitigate some of the costs. The new URL standard is not for everyone, though. It makes sense only for specific applications that are at risk of censorship. If you are running a pretty good Web 2 business that doesn't have to worry too much about centralized censorship, then you can stick with HTTP. On the other hand, if you are a dApp or website at risk of censorship, then you need to switch to the new standard. For example, Tornado Cash is a dApp that is frequently blocked by censors, making it difficult for users to access it through its website. If you have already decentralized your dApp, then there is no need to use a centralized website for people to access it. Some people are worried that the new standard could be used by bad actors to partake in illicit activities. However, Sean believes that, like Bitcoin, it is just giving people a decentralized option they may not have otherwise. While there is always the risk of abuse, the benefits of decentralization far outweigh the risks. ERC-4804 is not the first solution to decentralized web hosting. The Interplanetary File System, IPFS, is an example of a network created to do what centralized cloud servers currently provide through decentralized means. However, IPFS URLs can only link to static content, which cannot be amended or changed. ERC-4804, on the other hand, allows for dynamic data, such as allowing people to leave likes and comments and interact with content on a website. Since the standard is Ethereum native, it is expected to interact with other blockchains much easier. The new Ethereum standard is a game-changer for the blockchain world. It allows users to access decentralized apps and NFTs without worrying about censorship, and it opens up a world of possibilities for decentralized web hosting. While it is not perfect and comes at a cost, it is a step in the right direction towards decentralization. Moving on to our next interesting topic. Have you ever had to fill out a form online and provide personal information like your phone number, email address, or even your full name, just to prove that you're a real human being and not a bot? It's a frustrating experience, right? Well, good news. OpenAI co-founder Sam Altman's new project, WorldCoin, has launched the World ID, which is a global digital passport that lets users prove they're unique humans without revealing any of their personal information. So, what exactly is the World ID? It's a way for websites and apps to verify that their users are real people, but without needing them to share any sensitive data. Instead of relying on things like phone numbers or email addresses, the World ID uses a cryptographic proof of personhood that's attached to a unique ID stored on the user's phone. Here's how it works. When you create a World ID, it generates a cryptographic proof that's unique to you. This proof is stored locally on your phone and can be used to verify your identity on any website or app that supports the World ID standard. The best part is that you don't need to share any personal information in the process, so your privacy is protected. The World ID uses something called zero-knowledge (ZK) proofs to ensure that your personal information is kept hidden. ZK proofs are a way to verify the authenticity of a piece of information without revealing anything else about it. In this case, it means that the World ID can verify that you're a real person without needing to know anything else about you.
But wait, there's more. WorldCoin has also launched a waitlist for its Software Development Kit, SDK, which will allow developers to integrate the World ID into their apps and websites.
This means that pretty soon, you'll be able to use your World ID to log into all sorts of online services, without needing to share any personal information. And the best part? The World ID is available right now.
You can create your own World ID and start using it to log into websites and apps that support the standard.
Plus, if you're in one of the countries where iris verification is available, Argentina, Chile, India, Kenya, Portugal, and Spain, you can even verify your identity using your eyes. WorldCoin's spokesperson explained that the company hopes the World ID will help provide identification to millions of people around the world, especially in areas where traditional forms of ID are difficult to obtain. Over 50% of the world's population lacks verifiable legal identification, which can make it difficult to access basic services like healthcare, education, and banking. The World ID aims to help bridge this gap by providing a privacy-first, decentralized means of proving your identity. So, what are you waiting for?
Head on over to the WorldCoin website and create your own World ID today.
With this new technology, you'll be able to log into all sorts of online services without worrying about your privacy or security. It's a win-win for everyone involved. Next up to the next topic. Have you heard of NFTs? No, it's not a new type of sandwich or a secret code for a treasure hunt. NFTs stand for non-fungible tokens, which are basically digital assets that can't be exchanged for something else of equal value, unlike Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies. NFTs have been making waves in the digital art world, allowing artists to sell their digital works as unique, one-of-a-kind pieces that collectors can own. But now, the world of NFTs is taking a leap into the physical realm, thanks to the first NFT stores in the world. Yes, you read that right. Real-world stores where you can browse, buy, and even touch NFTs. And where are these stores located, you ask? None other than Dubai, the business and crypto hub of the Middle East and North Africa region. The first NFT store, called FastX's NFT shop, quickly gained popularity for its unique concept, friendly staff, and exceptional customer service. It offers a seamless interaction between the real world and the digital universe, allowing customers to browse a vast library of NFTs and take home their favorite digital art piece. But that's not all. The store also has in-store activities like a DJ cabin and an avatar booth that lets you create a digital counterpart of yourself. And if you're an artist who wants to add your NFTs to the marketplace, the store has a 3D NFT scanner that lets you quickly create a digital version of your physical art. FastX has now announced the opening of another physical NFT shop in the Dubai Mall, the largest shopping mall in the world. This one-of-a-kind store is designed to transform purchasing an NFT into a social experience in the real world for customers, with cozy atmosphere and interactive activities. But why bring NFTs to the physical world when they've been doing just fine in the digital space? Well, for one, online shopping lacks some key aspects of the overall buying or selling experience that customers crave. And let's face it, there's something special about owning a physical item that you can touch and display. NFTs also serve as status symbols for their owners, with a recent study showing that 74% of respondents buy NFTs for the status they confer. With such unique locations set to welcome tens of millions of foot traffic annually, Dubai has the potential to become home to the next step of NFT evolution. FastX provides a complete Web3 ecosystem with a range of services, including digital asset exchange, payment gateway, staking, and decentralized finance. And if you want to experience the rich NFT catalog firsthand, you can attend the opening ceremony of the NFT shop at Dubai Mall on March 16 to 17, 2023. So, are you ready to experience NFTs in a whole new way? Head on over to Dubai and check out these first-of-their-kind NFT stores. Who knows? You might just find the perfect digital art piece to add to your collection, and get a cool physical pendant to go along with it. Crypto Daily, your source for the latest crypto and NFT news. See you in the next video.